Hi, I'm Coach Donald. I'm a certified swimming coach and also a licensed professional teacher. Nagtuturo ko ng swimming for almost 20 years. From babies to adult and from basic to competitive. So far, ito yung pinaka-baby ko na estudyante, which is my son. He is a 2 months old baby boy. As you can see, at first umiiyak siya. Yun ang first reaction ng mga babies. But it will last around 30 seconds. Then after 30 seconds, as you can see, relaxed na siya. We will upload more videos on his swimming lesson, step by step, and safety way. Kaya tara, samahan niyo ako sa journey ng swimming lesson ni Baby Dwight.